Hello guys, this is Difficoder here. In today's video I will teach you about a query on SQL. And today's video I will use MySQL server. You can also use a SQL server, Microsoft product, or something like PostgreSQL, but I will teach you about on the MySQL. It's actually the same on the query syntax, but on the difference is only on the functionalities of each of the products like MySQL, PostgreSQL, and also SQL Server or something like that. And I will show you how to do it. It's still related on the PHP, but I will use on the PHPmyAdmin. So I will show you how to do it. First of all, I need to turn on the XMPP and both turn on them and open your browser and type localhost PHPmyAdmin. Oh no, not 8083. Sorry, wrong. Okay, this is a default database. You can look on my cursor here, and you need to create your database. You can use a new or query, but I prefer on query to learning from the scratch to make you know what is process like creating a database and creating a data with your query. So I will start it. Create database. What the name what you want, but I will say on my name, and you need to go and the database created, and as you can see is no tables found in database, so you need to create your own table. You can also use this to create the table like a name, a column, and you need to specify the fields and the data types. So I will make it simple and create table and name customer or user. I will say on user ID is integer. Its primary key, and auto increment, obviously not null. And the second fields I want to specify is username. Username I will say on varchar, which is this is a data type, integer and varchar is 30. And I will set I will say is not null, and password is varchar is 30 is not null also. And I want to store but I want to store the user creation date. It is create date. You need to use date time to store the dates and also the clock times. And I will say not null. And if you on the last fields you need to specify you don't need the commas, and you need to close the brackets here and go. The option conflicts with table near user position 13. Okay, I'll not allow using the table name user. I will change the name is user customer, whatever you want, but I will change the name is user customer. Right, syntax is near. I need to figure out. Okay, I not specify the key. It's really important. Sorry, silly me. Need to specify like this and go. It should be a correct one. And you can see the table structure. As you can see, there is no data in the table name user customer. I will show you example how to insert the data. You need to specify insert into user customer and values. The first field for the user ID is not counted because it's auto increment. I will choose on username is Benny, and the password is I will not decrypt this password because it's only on example, but on the implementation I will obviously do on encryption the password data. Is very obviously to do very crucial things, and need to password is Benny, and password and create date you need to use now, and here comma or closing bracket here. I will say 513 is only on hard code. It's only example. Let's see how it goes. I see. You need to specify your fields to make it work. Is username, password, or create date. Otherwise, you will encounter an error. Okay, the insertion is finished. Okay, that's it for today's video. In today's video, you have learned about create the database using query, create table using query, and also insert the data with the query. I forgot to show the data, not just with browse but also with query. With you need to specify the select. I will show all fields from the table name user customer. I will show go, and that is the result, the data. What is the star sign? It means you show all the fields inside user customer table. If you want to specify only username and password, you can also use only username, password, like this. Okay, that's it for today's video. We had learned some create a database, create the table, and insert the data into the table, and also show the data, all fields, and specify the fields using a query. So again, thank you guys for watching. If you like my content, make sure hit the subscribe button and put the thumbs up on my videos, and check out my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure to follow or like them. I put the links in the video description down below. I will see you guys in the next week. See you soon. Bye bye for now.